Alright, so Shani, what's your favorite cartoon?
Teen Titans Go.
Why?
It's just funny, because like I feel like it's a personality thing. I feel like it represents personalities. Like you have one that is ignorant, you have one that is very funny,
Yeah.
you have one that is very clingy, and then you have the other one that you can just call her a loner. So I feel like
you like the different personality them.
Yeah.
So if you were one of them, which one you'd be?
I feel like I'll be Raven because, as I said, she's a loner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer to be
Raven is that's like kind of dark.
Yeah, she.
Yeah. Cause you have a dark side. Yo. Alright, you ever watch Avatar? Alright, The Last Airbender. I'm not gonna say Avatar. Name The Last Airbender. It's a cartoon too.
I watched some part of it because I'm a brother, but not all of it.
Yeah, that's my favorite. If you take it in, it's like a movie. So each episode, it just leads you to it's a full movie, but them just break it up in an episode. But every episode they have a learning lesson in it. It teaches something. Every episode teaches something about life and living and stuff like that. So a good cartoon for watch. I love Teen Titans though. You know? But yeah man. So our favorite movie.
I'm always watching Endless Love.
Yeah.
It's a nice movie. Basically, just like what it named Endless Love.
Who starred?
I don't know.
Endless Love. I forgot look it up.
I don't know the actors no matter.
Yeah, it's a romance. From it's a Endless Love. It's like romance.
It's a romance.
So you have a romantic side to it too. So you have the dark side and you have the romantic side. So you have different personalities and just all in one.
Maybe different personalities.
Yo, Endless Love. I'm gonna check it out still. You don't like the action movies?
Yeah, my favorite action movie is a long time movie, Rambo.
Rambo, yeah, classic. Yeah, one of my favorite that too. I love how because I'm never in trouble nobody.
Yeah.
I'm good at the place that the people have just leave him alone. All of us just leave him alone. I never kill off the whole of them.
It's like John Wick and so.
Yeah. Alright, so music, what are your favorite artists? We'll start with locally first.
Locally, Skeng for sure.
Skeng, indeed. Why Skeng?
As I said, I feel like it's just the way how him, like most of them songs I like him talk about violence and so, but honestly I will if you kind of listen to the lyrics them have behind the song, like there's a specific one. Demons Awake, that's actually my favorite one. So yeah, I just like him tune and so, and the way how him portray music man.
Yeah man.
But otherwise from that, him and Vybz Kartel, two favorite artists.
Yeah.
That's all.
I can't go wrong with them. It's for real. Skeng, yo, the madman but wicked. Trust me. I talk about Cartel, him did come out on Cartel show. You know, a mask. Cartel never know who. So because I scare Cartel and then Cartel, when they take off the mask though, it's just so that did funny, trust me. I like so international artists though.
I like Selena Gomez and Bruno Mars.
Okay.
Those two.
Yeah. Cool. You don't play any instruments?
No.
Okay. But you say you're a singer, but you're not ready for singing. But she can sing for you.
Sing in the bathroom.
Yeah, trust me. So let's see, what else we can talk about? Alright, so me older than you, you know? Any question you don't want from somebody my age, like what kind of any advice you need, or you can ask me anything.
So basically I just want to know, like, I know that school and basketball is already challenging, but I feel like the work and basketball is even more challenging. So I just want to know how you kind of balance that.
Right. So again, as you say, you have to schedule out your life. Like me, you know, say yeah, Saturday mornings, basketball. But unless I work, remember I have a job, I have to go do the job because basketball now I pay, and the job I pay. But once I have the free time, yeah man, basketball. So you know, always put your work first, unless you're gonna be a professional basketballer, then fine. But whatever your job is, put that as priority. And then yeah, you know, anytime you have the time now, take the time for the basketball. So yeah, it's just a balance of the two, you know. Yeah man. Any other question?